Maker people, Curl Maker people, listen. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Hey guys, I am back with another style natural hair video, and today I'm going to be trying out some new products, the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and I'm going to be pairing it with the Curl Love Moisture Milk. I've been hearing so many good things about the Curl Maker, and I wanted to try it out on my type 4 hair. Listen, we all want the perfect wash and go, so I'm going to be trying these 2 products to see what type of wash and go or what type of results I get on my type 4 hair. So let's go, let's get into it. Okay, so I am starting out on freshly washed and detangled hair. I'm going to be going in with the Curl Love Moisture Milk Soft Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner has hints of vanilla, rice milk, and macadamia nut oil to help hydrate and elongate curls. So I'm taking a generous amount of that leave-in, and I'm just applying that to all the strands of my hair. And actually, this stuff smells really good. Like, the vanilla is not overpowering, but it's nice. So I'm taking a generous amount. It's recommended that you take a generous amount and apply it from your roots into your ends. I'm using my detangling brush and just smoothing that product all the way through, making sure the product is covering all of my hair. Since I'm going to be wearing my hair in a wash and go, I want to pay close attention to my ends. So I'm taking an extra amount of that leave-in and making sure that my ends are covered with the conditioner, and just taking my detangling brush and detangling those curls all the way through. After detangling my hair, I'm then going to separate this section to prepare for the application of the Curl Maker. To prepare my hair for the styler, which is the Curl Maker, I'm going to be using a generous amount of water. So I'm spraying my hair with the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit Spray Mist bottle. Okay, so we know a key to a bomb wash and go is a lot of water. So I'm taking my time and I'm saturating my hair heavily, working that water all the way through my strands, making sure that my hair is hydrated. I'm now going to be using the Curl Maker styler. This Curl Maker is a jelly enriched, it's jelly enriched with smoothing marshmallow and agave extracts. It's recommended that you apply this to clean, wash, soaking wet hair. So I'm taking a generous amount and I'm applying it from root to tip, just raking that product all the way through, making sure my ends are covered with the styler because we want the curls at the end to pop as well. The Curl Maker is actually made up of aloe juices, marshmallow root, and nettle root. Okay, so the marshmallows are all the way through this Curl Maker, and I think it's just the marshmallows just making the hair come through. You see that? Yeah, Curl Maker. So I'm going to continue to apply a lot of the styler, and listen, I'm heavy-handed, so I hope this doesn't get sticky. The jelly reminds me of a custard and gel combo, but it's not as sticky. So with me being heavy-handed, I'm praying that my hair does not come out sticky or flaky. So I'm repeating that process, applying that water, and then combing through my hair, making sure my hair is detangled, and then applying a generous amount of the Curl Maker to my sections, separating my sections too. I think the key to a good wash and go is making sure that the product is applied to all of the sections. So I'm parting my sections carefully. I'm applying that product and raking that through using the raking method, making sure my curls are receiving all of the product and making sure my curls pop. Okay, alrighty. And as you can see right here, listen, your girl is not stingy with the product, okay? I'm taking a generous amount of that and I'm applying it from the beginning or the roots of my hair and raking that all the way down to the ends. I have type 4 hair, and for me, a lot of product is just more effective because this is the only styler that I'm using on my hair. I'm just really heavy handed. So as you can see, okay, I'm working that product in and the curls are popping through. They're coming through. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about how it's coming along. Okay, so we're just going to repeat this whole process on the other parts of my hair, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've applied the curl maker to all the sections of my hair, and this is what it was looking like. Oh God, look at the clip. This is what it is looking like, guys. Okay, I have fully saturated my hair with this stuff, so this is what it is looking like. I am not going to let this air dry. I am going to sit under the hooded dryer, which will be best for me because it will take just too long for my hair to dry. But this is what my curls is looking like, fully saturated. So I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer. Normally I sit under the hooded dryer for about an hour, and my hair should be completely dry after that. So I'm going to come back and show you the results. All right, guys, I am back, and these are the results. Oh wow, are you? These are the results, y'all. Curl maker. Curl maker people. Curl maker people. Listen. I've been sleeping on curl maker. Look at the definition in my hair. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. This is actually second day hair. I didn't want to over fluff because I just wanted to see how long my hair was going to last, but I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the results. Couple of things to note. On the product, I think it mentioned something, either the leave-in conditioner or the actual curl maker mentioned something about elongating curls. Not sure about that. I had to do I normally stretch my curls and put my hair up in a pineapple. That's how I normally stretch my curls, or I band them. So I can't really say that the product helped with elongating my curls. What it did do, okay, is moisturize this baby, because my hair, it does not feel dry. It does not feel dry at all. My hair feels very moisturized. And another thing, it does have a little bit of a crunch from the gel, but not too much. I don't mind it so much because my type 4 hair, I think I really need it to help hold on to my style longer. So I don't mind the crunch. If it's, I did break the cast. That's what they normally call it when the hair creates like that hard coating on top. That's the cast. I did break the cast just a little bit, and I left a little bit of the cast there just to help with defining my curls. Listen, Camille Rose, this is it, okay? The marshmallow and agave leaf extract apparently agrees with my type 4 hair, because I love it. 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 One thing that I did notice about this product is that it is a little expensive. It's a little on the high side. The price point on this one is a little bit high. I think it was almost $20 at Target. I bought it from Target. It was almost $20. I mean, I'm an avid product junkie and I like to buy products. So, I got that problem, but that was a little hefty price. So I'm not really sure how often I'll buy this, but will I buy it again? Yes. I'm just waiting for the sale, okay? I'm just waiting for my Target points or some type of sale somewhere. But yeah, I will definitely do this to my hair again. I'm loving the results. I'm loving it. And I think as time goes on, my hair will get bigger. I did not fluff my hair that much. This is the natural puffiness from me stretching my curls. So I haven't even got around to puffing it so it can get really, really big and voluptuous. But I'm into it. I'm into it. Comment down below and let me know if you tried the Camille Rose Curl Maker. Because if you haven't, you better. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.